everyone, thanks for stopping in. Excuse me. Great way to start a video. I have the next Stitch Fix, so this should be 97. I did want to get rid of the box over the weekend because obviously it recycles. So I just have all the clothes here. Little shot there. Have not done anything with them, but literally, I kept the paper because that's an easy, just toss. You do get a USPS return mailer for anything you don't love and you don't wish to keep. And then you get your invoice. On my preview, it wasn't Sarah Beth, and I was like, oh, no. But here she told me that she was under the weather the week that my preview came out, so somebody else did the preview, which I did not like at all. And then she was back, and she's like, no, I'm still here. So I said, okay, so this is 97, so thank goodness, because if they would have switched, I saw the preview that the other person picked, and I declined everything. You try to get 4, you get 10 or 12 items to pick from, and I was like, no. So, first item we have is from Staccato, and this is a color block tee, navy medium. Let's see, and this is like a dolman sleeve. You can see the color blocking, the red, white, and blue. Let's hold this up. Try to hold this up. Decent. Looks like a V-neck from back here. Plain blue, straight hemline. There's a seam down the back. Sometimes that does bug me because you can feel it, but not generally. That's really cute. That would be just cute in general for the spring, summer, but, all your, flag holidays, your Memorial Day, your July 4th, your Labor Day, you could wear something like that. Move that over to the side. This probably, so I don't even know. I didn't choose any of these. I don't know. I did not. I will never keep this. This is Market and Spruce cotton crew neck tee, white medium. I am not a white shirt person. I have some cream color like sweaters and stuff, but not t-shirts. Not really my thing. I think you can see through them, and it's usually not my style, a white t-shirt. I'd rather have a colored shirt, like a, my preference. We have another Market and Spruce here. Aliana cotton pointel cardigan, pink medium. Oh, that's cute. It's a short sleeve cardigan. I don't know how I feel about that, but worn as like a top maybe, but as a cardigan, I don't know. I guess if you had a tank on, I doubt I will keep this. I have no idea though until I try it on. Not my thing. I love the color. I love the theory of it. I'm generally not the pointel person. All the little, generally not me. What do we have here? Ooh, getting ready for summer and spring. Here we have from Silver Jean Company, which I do have some of their jeans. This is the Elise Bermuda Short Indigo size 8. Get that out of the way. I want to see. Oh, that was the other pair of jeans. So it's a straight pair of, longer shorts, which I prefer. And I can always cuff further if I want. You can see the nice pocket detail. A little bit of stretch, a little bit of whiskering in the front. Nice deep pockets. So excited for that because the summer's coming. I won't be wearing jeans. Leggings still, I'm like with the thin ones that I wear sometimes. They're okay if I'm staying in the house in air conditioning in the summer, but not to really go out in. Okay, what do we have here? From Tribal, pull-on side slit scuba capri. Is that a capri? Well, that's not going to be a capri on me. So you can see this side slit at the bottom of the pants. These are going to be like a full length for me. So here's the waist, like a wider waistband. Functioning tie, I would assume, yes, because that just pulled. Nice pockets, if I could find them. Nice, not too deep, and this will be a full length pant for me. It actually might be too long. Just a straight navy. I was looking for, I would have preferred these in the cooler months, the colder months, because I was looking for a true navy. I have quite a few black. I guess if these are way too long, I could, at the seam, I could hem them. But I really don't want to do that. But we'll see about these. I'm not sure what I think about them. The shorts might be a winner if they look nice. But we have the pants, the shorts, the cardigan, which I'm not sure about. The white tee, which is probably a big no. It's not me whatsoever. Try to keep these nice and neat. And I do like the color block tee, but I'll have to see, you know, obviously how that looks on. So I doubt, it's about 6 o'clock today. I doubt that I'm going to do a try on tonight because I have some things to do this evening. But hopefully over the weekend I'll be able to do a try on, and you're going to see this on today, which is Monday. So for you, you'll have no idea, and we'll be back in just a second. Okay, it is a couple of days later. I'm trying to think when I filmed the unboxing last week during the week. It is now Sunday. I was going to film this yesterday, but yesterday was the 1-year anniversary of my mom's passing. Not a good day. Today's still not a good day, but you still got to getting along with what you got to do. But let's give this a try and see if I like it. I do like it off of me. Let's see what it looks like on me. Okay, this is very comfortable. It is a dolman sleeve, which I don't mind them. I just think this is really cute. I'm glad that the base is all blue and then the accents are just, you know, not overpowering the shirt, I don't think. Let me see if I can figure out which one this is. Oy. There's only one navy, right? Yeah, the color block tee. Navy size medium. It's $38. And that might be a little bit pricey. It is, you know, it's a little bit, it's fine. I like things to fall up closer up here to top of my legs, but this is fine. I will not be wearing, I had jeans on yesterday and jeans on today. It's a little chilly today. But once the spring hits where the weather, I mean, it is spring, but where we're consistent with weather, I'll be wearing shorts all the time. So could I tuck it? Yeah. Could I wear it untucked? Yeah. So this is the back. Covers your, you know, pretty much covers your bum. But it's very comfortable. Price, you know, it is what it is. I am not going to try this on because I know I'm not keeping it and I don't want to get makeup on it. I have a little bit of powder on and obviously lipstick. I don't want to hit this. I am not a white t-shirt girly whatsoever. And I don't want to get anything on that then and ruin it. So that I know I'm not keeping. And that is Market and Spruce. It's a size medium. It's $29. White t-shirt. It's thicker. But you know, if you can see through it, I'm not going to ever wear it. Because I'm very modest. Like if this was too low, I wouldn't keep it. It's perfect. I'm just a modest person. And you're never going to see me anywhere, outside, inside, social media, whatever, exposed. I just don't think that's necessary. For me personally. You do you, I do me. The next thing that I'm going to try is going to be this. And this is from Market and Spruce. And this is like a cardigan top. Short sleeve. I mean, it's just not my style, but I will try it on and see what I think. Okay, so this is a Market and Spruce, like it's a pointel sweater cardigan. Pink medium, $65. Or right there, it's a no. But it was a no before I saw the price. One, it's a sweater material. In the summer, no. And I'm just not crazy about all the buttons, and they do separate. It's pretty color-wise, but not, no, that's a big no. And next we're going to try on the silver Jean Company denim shorts, and hopefully I like these because I could always use denim shorts. Okay, the shorts are silver Jean Company. These are Bermuda shorts in indigo size 8, $58. That's kind of expensive. I'll have to think about these. These are, fit is perfect. I mean, there's some stretch to them, nice full, like my whole, up to my wrist are in the pockets. Just super nice, super comfy. So, I'm very happy with these. Here's the back. Nice butt. like, it does, you know, good stuff for your butt there. Not that my butt is nice, but, so these are very comfortable, very, like, you can feel the stretch. They don't feel like they're going to bag out at all. And, you know, there is room in them, so they're not going to be so snug, like if you go to a barbecue or something like that and you eat and eat and eat, you're not going to be busting out of jeans and stuff like that. So these are really nice. And then the last thing, which I moved these over, are from, because I was going to try these on first. Tribal. These are like a scuba, scuba capri in blue. These are a medium. These are not going to be a capri on me. I mean, I think you would have to be 5'10" for these to be capri. These are definitely long, but I'll give them a try and see what I think. I don't think I need these with the summer coming. Okay, so these are Tribal pull-on side slit scuba capri in blue medium. These are $58 too. These are expensive. These are perfect. I mean, there's still plenty of room in them. Nothing tight. Great pockets. Like, you know, I'm in up to like above my wrist. Soft. They're a little bit more high-waisted just because I'm short-waisted. So from, you know, like the top of my legs up, I have to have them up a little higher, which doesn't bother me per se. Working drawstring. These are full length for me. So the side slit, you know, looks cute. You know, these literally are falling at the top of my foot, which would be fine. You have shoes on, so you come up a little bit. You know, if you have a sneaker on, you know, it gives you maybe, what, a quarter inch, half inch up. So these would be perfect. I just don't know if I need to keep these now. I kept on asking for navy, 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 like these types of pants, joggers, just comfy stuff like this for all winter long to lounge it, that if I still need around in, if I still needed to go out, I still look fine. You know, I could have gone out to lunch in these and put on a nicer shoe and a nicer sweater and look put together instead of sloppy with, you know, and sometimes leggings. You can dress them up, but, you know, depending on what you're doing, I just wish I would have gotten these sooner in, you know, in the cooler season. But right now, I don't know if I would wear these. They're not super thick, but I doubt that once it starts getting warm, yeah, we're going to have air conditioning on and stuff like that come like probably June. So I really wouldn't get much wear out of them now. And I'm not buying stuff now that's $58 for next fall and winter. I'd rather get these in the fall and the winter and be able to wear them throughout. Right now, I'm looking more for like the denim shorts. And even like cotton shorts that are pull-on, like with pockets, just front pockets, decent length. You know, they're comfy in the summer too. So let me put my jeans back on and let me think about what I want to do here. Okay, so my final thoughts. I still do have Sarah Beth, like I explained in the unboxing portion. She was under the weather the week my preview came out, and I saw a different stylist, and I was like, oh no. I put a little note in there. If Sarah Beth is still not my stylist, do not send me this box. Like, I'll wait. Get her back. You know, I mean, like, I am serious. She's doing an awesome job. So thank you, Sarah Beth. I greatly appreciate it. I love her little note. And let's do some box numbers. The subtotal is $248. Buy 5 plus, you save 25%. I don't know how you can save 5 plus when there's only 5 items. I thought I saw something where you can get more items in your box. And that might be on preview if you pick, you know, 6 items, 7 items, 8 items, that they would send that. And that's where the 5 plus is coming in. But I'm trying to think if I picked the shorts. I mean, the first no, I didn't pick any. Did I pick? I think I might have picked the shorts. Not sure about that top, because I had to get a whole new preview, and I honestly don't remember. I think I just picked one item. I'm really not 100% sure. So I would save $62, and I have a $20 style pass, so the entire box would be $166, which really isn't bad for pants, shorts, a cardigan, and a tee, and then the color block tee. Not a bad price for Stitch Fix, but I honestly don't know what I'm going to be keeping. I'm leaning towards the shorts, the denim shorts, and then the color block tee. Color block tee for sure. denim shorts, almost for sure. And then the 3 items on this side, which are the blue pants, as much as I love them, I won't get anywhere out of them until the fall, winter. So why buy them now and have them sit in my closet and take up space, which I don't have room for. The rose color or pink cardigan style top, it's not me, and I would never wear something like that. If I need a cardigan, I have tons of cardigans to wear. I'm not going to start out wearing a cardigan, because a lot of times in the summer, it's great during the day, and maybe in the evening, once the sun goes down, it gets a little chilly with the breeze or temperatures start to drop. I have plenty of cardigans to throw on. I would never start out the day wearing that. And then the white tee is a big no for me. I don't own anything white, and never will. You get one mark on it. Like, I'm cooking dinner and forget that I have a white cardigan on. Yes, I have aprons, and you could wear it, and it could still splash up here, you know, spaghetti sauce or grease. Just anything, and if you can't get it out, the shirt's ruined. So, I mean, I know that could happen with other tops too, but white, no. And white is usually one season and done. You got to get rid of it. It'll get dingy. So that's why I tend not to buy white. So, you know, I don't think a bad box. You know, everything in here is really nice. It's just, I'm just considering the two. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I would love to know your thoughts. And I hope all of you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.